The old flame will just show a short video for now, as the Dubai fountain is currently under renovation. It's one of the attractions that enhances the view of the Burj Khalifa, and it seems the work will be completed by October of this year. Downtown Dubai is a large-scale, mixed-use complex in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It was developed by the Emaar Real Estate Development Company. It's also a prime residential area with luxury apartments, high-end hotels like Address Downtown, and beautiful pedestrian zones like Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Boulevard filled with CAFS art installations. Downtown Dubai is strategically located next to Business Bay, and just off Sheikh Zayed Road, making it easily accessible from all parts of the city. Dubai Opera is a multi-format performing arts centre that opened in 2016. It's designed to host a wide range of performances from opera, ballet, and classical concerts to theatre, musicals, comedy shows, and film screenings. Before year 2000, this area was called Tarif. It is home to some of the city's most notable landmarks, including Burj Khalifa, known as Burj Dubai prior to its inauguration, the world's tallest building, the Dubai Mall, the second largest mall in the world, and the Dubai Fountain, which is currently under renovation. This is what I was talking about earlier, the Dubai Fountain. One of the main attractions of Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall is currently under renovation. You may notice that the area is surrounded by wooden fencing panels, concealing the ongoing work inside the fountain lake. The old flame will return to this location once the renovation is complete in order to capture high-quality video footage for your viewing. For now, please bear with this short video. The one featuring the Burj Khalifa and Dubai Fountain might be uploaded last. Show some love for the old flame by hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Hoser Kazaya.